Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Amex gift card on Xbox. So let's get into the video. So go to Xbox website here. So just open up the website and then log into your account. If you have an account, log into your account and then just browse for anything that you wish to purchase on Xbox. So for example, I'll just choose this, like just anything, just add anything that you wish to use or purchase on Xbox. So and then when you get to the purchase page here, you have a prompt here to add your payment method. So how do you want to make these payments? So what you can simply do, click on it to add a payment method, and then when you get to these payment options here, simply click the credit or debit card option, and then what you can do here is simply type in the details of your Amex card here. So whatever, fill in the details of your Amex card here, hit on save, and then proceed with this payment and complete the checkout. So that's how you can use your Amex card on Xbox. And please note that this might not work on certain regions. It depends on where you are, so it might not work for everyone. So just give it a go and see if it works for you. That's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.